Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on exporting Excel files from Applanga projects. We'll cover how to export Excel files and the different exporter options. Let's get started. From the project page, select the language you want to export. You can export all translations, or you can export specific translations. Let's start with exporting specific translations. First, we'll need to filter for those translations. You can use the filter options to create the specific criteria. For this example, let's say we need to export translations with the status of accepted. From here, we'll mark the topmost checkbox to select all, then proceed with the export. To export, there are two different places you can navigate to that results in the same export flow. You can click the export option in the header bar, or you can click more and then click export selected. Now let's go through the exporter options. The first option is a file format. Applanga supports a wide range of file formats for both import and export. To export only one language per file, select Excel. To export multiple languages into a single spreadsheet, but within different columns, select Multi-Language Excel. Let's use a regular Excel option for this tutorial. Next, we'll specify which languages to export. And last, we have some export options. Let's go over the most commonly used ones. Use source file name. If keys were manually imported via a file, then this option will export translations into a file with the same name as the original file. If multiple files were imported to the project and this option is selected, the keys included in the export will split into the same sets per file as they were originally imported. Export also drafts. This option will export drafts into a separate column in the Excel spreadsheet. Only with translation. This option only exports keys with translations. Include status and comments. This option will export the workflow status and any comments into a separate column in the Excel spreadsheet. Once the appropriate options are selected, you can actually export content from the Applanga project. If you ever need to export all translations, simply skip the filtering step and click Export in the header bar. Then proceed with the usual process to export all translations. And that covers the basics for this tutorial. You can always learn more on our website under documentation. If you get stuck or have questions, please use the website support chat or email us at support@applanga.com. Thanks for watching!